Hey guys, so this is a quick update regarding the most recent magazine test that I filmed on the Zastava ZPAP Gen 3 Polymer magazine. It was the magazine that came with my new ZPAP90, and it seems like the particular magazine that I got is out of spec or has some defect and is a bit of a fluke. Zastava is going to be sending me a new one because the one that I got consistently gave me problems both in the new ZPAP90 and in the ZPAP85. And even though the feed lips look exactly the same to my Generation 2 magazines, as you can see here, they would consistently misfeed on the right side, and like the round would pop out of the feed lips and then just get jammed into the front of the receiver. And it was pretty consistent. But I think that it's a problem with this particular magazine, so I'm going to be revisiting this test altogether and have more than a sample size of one so that we can look at this magazine properly. Just wanted to throw together a quick update here rather than a proper magazine test, considering I don't actually believe the magazine is representative of all of the Gen 3 ZMAGs. So that's it for me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.